wants to try it, I mean.
Video.
Yes.
Pond in Uxbridge, Massachusetts. It's a beautiful Saturday morning. Really enjoying ourselves. There's been at least 10 great blue herons.
They're very chill as well, aren't they?
Huh?
They're very chilled out.
The robins?
Yeah.
No, they're not. Vicious things.
There's a girl there. There's a girl and a boy.